Today, I'll show you how to sell online using only Telegram, Instagram, and TikTok, without a single line of code or any web platform. Let's break it down step by step. Part 1. The mindset shift. You don't need a website to sell. You need 3 things. A clear offer, a platform where people trust you, a simple way to collect payments and deliver your product. People buy from people, not websites. And social media is where relationships happen. Part 2. Why Telegram works. Telegram is no longer just a messenger, it's a powerful business tool. Create private or public channels. Sell directly to your followers. Use bots to automate responses or deliver digital files. Add payment systems like Stripe, PayPal, or even crypto. You can treat it like your own personal store, fast, direct, and without distractions. Part 3. Instagram as your brand hub. Instagram is great for building authority and creating desire. Use reels and stories to show results, testimonials, or behind-the-scenes post carousels with tips or transformations. Add links in bio or use tools like Linktree to send people to Telegram or checkout. Instagram equals trust. Telegram equals transaction. Part 4. TikTok for explosive reach. TikTok is the traffic engine. You can go viral with 0 followers, which means more people see your product fast. Create short videos that educate. 3 mistakes when starting your business. Tease your product. Here's how I made $500 using Telegram. Call to action. Link in bio to get my ebook. Use trending sounds, hooks, and text overlays. Make people curious. Part 5. Connecting it all. Here's a simple flow. Create TikTok content to get attention. Send people to Instagram or directly to Telegram. Use Instagram to warm up leads and build relationships. Sell through Telegram by offering exclusives, bundles, or limited time deals. You can use tools like Gumroad, Payhip, Ko-Fi, or Stripe to take payments. No website required. Part 6. Real example. Coaches sell PDF guides directly in Telegram. Artists sell digital prints using Instagram plus Telegram combo. Affiliate marketers use TikTok to build email lists or push offers. Small brands launch product drops in Telegram before anywhere else. Selling online without a website is 100% possible in 2025. You just need creativity, consistency, and a clear customer journey. Drop a comment with your niche, and I'll help you map out your 0 website sales funnel.